So what are some trends in supply chain logistics? Are there new technologies or new processes available to help ensure quality and delivery?
Answer is yes, but there is more to come because the industry, the whole supply chain is maturing. DSCSA expectations from FDA and other regulatory bodies are becoming clear that there is an expectation in coming years to be more technologically driven, more database driven, more transparency in how and where the product is coming on from, where APIs are coming from, the trackability, traceability is coming all the way down to entire supply chain, regardless of whether you're manufacturing or you're bringing in API and then manufacturing your drug product. So it is going to mature even further, and we are going to see. So being in forefront of that is really the key aspect now for the supply chain companies to be on forefront of that. One of the trends that from innovation side of things is we are seeing a lot more 505(b)(2) type drugs come to market. I mean, it's a mechanism which is being used by many innovative companies to launch drugs for unmet needs, better deliveries, different indications, and that pathway has opened up for the existing known APIs to be used either more efficiently or effectively. We have seen a great spur of movement in that direction, and that has allowed even the older API manufacturers who are in compliant fashion, who are manufacturing, to be supplying in that segment very effectively.
Can you talk about the 505(b) to generic pathway and how it differs from the generic approval process?
Very good question, and it is interesting to see on the from the supply chain side how that part of the entire FDA making a space for that to be done effectively has cleared way for more. It actually is spurring more innovation on the front end, because now if there is a different delivery pathway for a known drug which is more effective and actually can meet some unmet need for the patients, there is a pathway for that to be assumed. A lot of safety data from the known drug can be used, and launch is shorter. It is less expensive, and at the same time it meets some unmet need population or is more effective. So it has turned out to be a very good mechanism, and in turn we are seeing a lot of need for APIs which are known and can be used for either newer indications, better effective pathways of delivery, or in many cases making pediatric launches. So all of those have become very prevalent. And the innovator in this case gets all the protection and life cycle of the drug, just like a new drug development or an NCE. So it serves multiple, it spurs innovation in return for this pathway development.